Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about IR burner for Southbend part #1,183,246. The Southbend part #1,183,246 is an infrared burner. It is a type of burner that uses infrared radiation to heat food. The burner works by emitting a high-intensity beam of infrared light that is directed at the food, which causes it to heat up quickly and evenly. The infrared burner is designed to be used in commercial kitchens, as it can provide a more efficient and consistent cooking experience than traditional gas or electric burners. The burner is also capable of reaching higher temperatures than other types of burners, making it ideal for searing. And this part fixes the following symptoms. The Southbend 1,183,246 burner is designed to replace the existing burner in a Southbend range or oven. It is used to replace a malfunctioning or worn-out burner and can help to improve the performance of the range or oven. The burner can help to reduce uneven heating, reduce hot spots, and improve overall cooking performance. Here is how you install this part. 1. Download the IR burner software from the Southbend website. 2. Install the software on your computer. 3. Connect the Southbend part #1,183,246 to your computer using a USB cable. 4. Launch the IR burner software and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. 5. Once installed, you can use the IR burner software to burn data onto disks using your Southbend part #1,183,246 burner. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.